Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can set up sales for your listings on Etsy, so let's get right into it. Now, I'll be using this official Help Center documentation because I don't have access to my shop manager, which you do need to set everything up. However, there is a lot of important or useful information here, so I'll be using this simply to make my life easier and to explain everything in full. Hope you guys understand, so let's get right into it. Now, the first method you have is creating a promo code. So what you need to do, you need to go to Etsy, go to your shop manager, and then in the marketing tab, select sales and discounts. Here you can choose to create a promo code, and then you just need to select the options you would like for your discount. You can set the discount amount, you can set the code yourself, how many copies of the code there is, etc., etc. Then you need to choose which individual listings will be eligible or select add all active listings. And then once you're done, just review the details, select confirm and create the code. Then you're going to need to actually promote your code and give it to people so that you can promote your listings, and then people will be able to use them for your shop. Then you can also run a sale by going to the shop manager. Again, go to sales and discounts, select run a sale, choose between percentage off and free standard shipping sale. Then customize the details, set the parameters like the amount of discount, which countries are valid, and more, and then just review and confirm. You can also select which of your listings are available for your discount, and that is pretty much it. Now, other than that, you can create a discounted bundle of items as well by going to sales and discounts, offer listings together for less, and set everything up. This is pretty much a bundle deal. You can also do targeted offers to interested shoppers, free shipping, etc., etc. And there is a lot of information that is useful here, so I do recommend you check this article out. But other than that, that is pretty much it. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.